Hello students, another application of cube of binomial. Evaluate 1002 whole power 3 using the identity not by regular multiplication. Okay. First, what is the suitable identity? We can write this 1002 cube as 1000 plus 2 the whole cube. So we need this identity. What is that identity? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Clear? Now write the empty bracket, substitute the values. Very simple technique. This empty bracket method is the best method. So what is the first? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Correct. What is A? A is 1000 and B is 2. 1000, 1000, 2, 1000 and 2, last 2. Correct. Now evaluate. Very simple. 1000 cube. What is the value? Very simple. 3 zeros are there. The power is 3. So 1000 cube is nothing but 1, 9 zeros. 3 times 3 0. That is 9 zeros. Correct. Now evaluate this. If you evaluate 1000 cube, 3 zeros are there and power is 3 and hence 3 into 3 9 zeros. So 1 triple 0 some space triple 0 space. Next 1000 square 6 zeros and the remaining integers 3 into 2 6. So 6 zeros, 3 into 2 6 and put plus sign here, plus sign here. Now 3 zeros, now 3 into 2 square, 3 into 2 square, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 12 and last 2 cube is 8. So what is the value? The first column is 8, second column completely 0, third column 0 and this one is 2, the next column 1 and 0, 6, 0, 0, 1. Very simple. Follow this column wise technique. Okay. Practice similar sum using identity not by regular method. Thank you.